starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17.50 an hour. We are going to do something a little bit different today though. Around 9 o'clock, I'm going to try to switch off of earn by time because I'm looking to get a bunch of alcohol orders. Tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo, so got to prepare for that drinking holiday, right? But anyways, we got our first order. It is Jack in the Box going just under 5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too.
Sorry.
I don't know about you guys, but popcorn chicken does not smell very good to me in the morning. It smells kind of disgusting, to be honest. But then again, I don't really have an appetite in the mornings. Oh, that's a great start to the day. 0 tip on that one. Total ended up being $4 and change. Next order just came in. This is Wendy's going 2.5 miles. This car in front of me cut me off trying to get into the drive-thru. Like, I promise you, it's not that serious. Thank you. Total ended up being $6 and change. Next up, we've got an IHOP going 7 miles.
What's the name on the order?
Kathleen.
Perfect. Just need a signature from you, and that's all yours. Have a good day.
You too. Oh, these eggs smell awful. Is it just me? Do I have the faulty nose? What's going on here? Total for that one ended up being $11. Next order just came in. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $12 going 5 miles, 2 items.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
All right, you got the GoPro cam on. What's up, everybody?
It's I think
May the
it's...
4th be with you all.
Oh, is it today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is.
Okay, which one do you need?
I believe it's just that orange one. I did not know baby formula was that expensive. Wow. Got the next order right away. We are heading to Donut Nook for a 6.5 mile order. They just gave me an add-on order going an extra 4 miles. Why is this place so busy? Total ended up being $17 for those two. Not too bad, but I am pretty far away from my zone now. So I think by the time I get there, it will be time to try to get the alcohol orders up and running. Also, I liked how they had a punching bag right by the front door. Had a bad day at work, just give it a quick smack before walking inside, and then you're good. Next orders just came in. This is a stacked, I think, grocery pickup from Safeway. This is going 8 miles. So hopefully I can knock them both out in like 20 minutes. I think those two are together. Do you need the cart?
No. Would you mind grabbing another basket for?
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Do you know if the other one's bigger than this or?
It's about the same.
Okay.
All right. There's the rest of them.
Thank you. Okay, 2 carts full, huh? Well, there goes my plan out the window. I'm not even going to be able to pull up to the first drop off before 9. That did take a while, but luckily I got paid for it. Total ended up being $43 for those, total ended up being $43 for those 2 orders. Next order just came in. We've got a gravity coffee going 3 miles. I think this order is not leaving me too far away from the liquor store, so if I don't get an order right away, I think I might try switching off of Earn My Time.
Alright, here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. I'm pretty positive this is a no-tip order.
Not quite as much as you'd like. Yeah, definitely not with today's best thing to do.
Called it. Total ended up being $3 and change. Okay, cool. We got a shop and deliver for alcohol. $9 going 2 miles, 2 items.
Trying to get to you before the...
And then just a scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Have a good day. Okay, turns out this is not working at all. I'm not getting any orders. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna call it. Current time is 10:12. Total, we are at 101. Could keep going, but I kind of don't want to. So that's my excuse. Let's get out of here. All right, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.